Happy October, budget friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie Budgets and Vlogs. Our shop name is S&C Budget Creations. I'll link it down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of October, we did make a freebie, which I will link as well. What are we doing today? Well, we're going to go ahead and throw in this cash stuffing for my Christmas binder. I completed some savings challenges in the month of September that I need to reallocate those funds. And I don't know if you missed it in my last video. I don't know if it was my last video or not. It may have been. I received a special gift from a young lady, T. Thank you so much. Thank you. And she gave me $50 to put into my PTO, so that helped tremendously. Anyway, let's go ahead and pull out our savings challenges that we completed that need to be stuffed into my Christmas binder. In the month of September, I did reach some goals, and so some of my envelopes don't need money today, but we are going to see what we are working with. I'm going to grab my calculator so we can get this together. So Virgo was the savings challenge that we had in our shop. It's still in our shop, actually, if you're interested. We are working on getting all of the zodiac signs in the shop, and this savings challenge saved me $5, $10, $15, $20, $25. So I hope that's in frame. And then I'm going to set this off to the side since it was completed. I got this freebie from the Budgeting Mom of Girls, and this one should have saved me $10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, $10. Okay, so we'll set this one off to the side. And then also, Journey to Wisdom and Wealth has a Ko-Fi shop. Ko-Fi? Gosh, I keep saying I'm going to look it up to see how you say it. I'm not certain, but I got this. It's a freebie. So if you want to check out her channel, I'll link her as well. And oh, that savings challenge saved me $9, I think. 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 6, 9. Oh, there's two stuck together. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm like, I can't count. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. And then this last savings challenge that I completed was the Secret Budgeter. And this one should have saved me $9 as well. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I was not even adding up on my calculator. So we had 25 plus 10. Okay. Plus 9. Plus 9. We have $53. $53 that we're going to go ahead and get into our Christmas binder. So let's open it up. Let's see. So Victor, I had a $50 goal for him. Vincent, I had a $50 goal for him, and both of those have been reached. Those goals have been reached. So Mommy, that goal is $50 as well, and we have 31 in there, but let's go ahead and add $4 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will make it a $35, I believe. Let's see. So got my little Sharpie. So we have 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay. So we are going to add $4, and now we have 35. And I do want to update you a little bit on what is going on with my Christmas plans. I had a plan of getting my kids a big gift for Christmas on Christmas Day, and then doing 25 days of Christmas. So what my kids explained is that if they have a choice between the 25 days of Christmas and a VR headset so they can play together, because we already have one VR headset, and they were saying that if I could save for another VR headset instead of the 25 days of Christmas, they would be, truly grateful. So at this point, I'm leaning more towards the VR. I'm still going to stuff it as 25 days just in case. The VR headset that we got before, it actually went on sale, so we were able to make sure that you know, we were able to buy one that was reasonably priced because the way the budget is set up. And then also their dad helped purchase it as well. So I'm trying to see if maybe that's something he can like match, you know, something like that. But we'll see how things go. But they do want that VR headset so they can play virtual reality together. So for 25 days of Christmas, because that's what I have it labeled as, and that's what I'm going to leave it as for now. Let's go ahead and put, let's do $10. 5 and 10. Okay, we're going to add $10 and we should have $145. This is so wild to me that the savings is coming along as well as it is. I'm so blown away. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Yes, $145. Okay. My heart is racing like all right, so PTO has $232 in it, and we are going to add, let's see how much we have here. We are going to add, let's go ahead and add, let's do $28. Is that going to give me, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 232 plus 28, $260. What? Oh my goodness. Okay, now I can't even think of what, did I say 28? Yes, plus 28. Sorry, I'm distracted because somebody's like walking past my window. Okay. Can you guys believe? Okay, I can't. I'm so in shock that this progress is taking place. Okay, let's make sure this is $260 here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. $260 in my PTO envelope. And I have a savings challenge going to cash stuff this PTO. Wow, this needs to be exchanged big time because this envelope is looking a little tight there. I have another savings challenge going, so my goal is to pay myself a week of what I would be making at work, and then at least 1 week, and then I will try to figure out if I'm able to do any more. So the last envelope is a special gift from my mom. My mom passed away this year, so I wanted to give my kiddos a special gift from her. So we're going to go ahead and add the rest of this to this envelope. So we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, which we're adding today. So that should give us 46. I don't have a cap for this one. And actually, I was actually thinking of adding it to the envelope for the VR, and then saying, you know, it's from us, as you know, if dad pitches in, and then you know, with myself, and then my mom's gift. So I'm really trying to figure this out, what is the best way I can do this, because I want to focus on making sure I have PTO. I want them to have their gift that they want, and then a couple of small gifts, you know, but I also want them to, I want to be able to have time off with them. So anyway, we should have $46. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Yes, we have $46 there. So I did not do a money count of my total of what is in this binder. Maybe I'll do that and then leave it on the screen. I'm not certain. I'm just excited for fall, you guys. We're going to be getting snow here soon because that's how it goes here in Colorado. In October, we start seeing some snow. So anyways, I want to thank all of you so much for watching. Sorry, there's people peeking in my window. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Bye, guys.